Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix error 0x800706F4 on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to fix Windows Update installation problem and the error code is 0x800706F4, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you need to check your system date and time whether it is properly set or not. For that, you just need to right click on the date and time. Here you can see adjust date and time. Click on that. Here you can see set time automatically, then set time zone automatically. This should be enabled. Then close this window and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. After that, still you are facing the issue, then type services in search. Click on that. Search for Windows Update. Scroll down, double click on Windows Update. Click on the stop. Click on apply. Click on stop. Click OK. Again right click on that, click on property, click on set as automatic, apply, start, then click OK. After doing both this, still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, open the command prompt, type your cmd in search, right click on this, click on run as administrator, click on yes. Then here what you have to do, you have to just copy paste all this command from the video description link and paste in your cmd. Just right click on this top of the window, click on edit, then click on paste, or just you can press Ctrl V to paste. After pasting, it will take around 15 to 20 minutes to complete. After completion of this, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows 11 update installation error 0x800706F4. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.